Oshio. Aí, Aldazan. Stay tuned. Just wanted to give y'all a preview. I told y'all that the Feerce Truth-Seeker is no joke when it comes to the food preparation. Alright? So, right now the Feerce Truth-Seeker is in the lab. So, again, pretty soon the Feerce Truth-Seeker is going to show y'all how to make food. You see, right now, what I have going on is raw food bread. This is raw food made by yours truly, the Feerce Truth-Seeker. Raw food bread. Nothing cooked. This is live food. Look at that. Raw bread. Look at that. If y'all could only smell this right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, man. Y'all just don't know. It's about to be a wrap. Okay? No pun intended. About to be a wrap. Alright? So, that's just a preview of what's to be coming soon. Feerce Truth-Seeker is going to show y'all how to make food. Alright? Till the next time. Throw the dog on, huh?